Assalamu alaikum. Just wanted to show you how I pollinate my Kodu plant and my Kodus. As you can see today, this female Kodu, the flowers opened up, you can see. So what I'm going to do, I've just pinched off some male flowers. I'm just going to use a simple paintbrush and I'm going to collect the pollen. Just do that carefully, just get as much pollen as you can. If you can see closely, there's a lot of pollen on there. And then I'm just going to very carefully add the pollen all around the flower. And then, just in case, as you can see, there's loads of pollen in here. You can do it just without a paintbrush, but I find that I'm more successful with a paintbrush. And that's it. Just inshallah, the flower will close up this afternoon or this evening, and then inshallah we'll find out if it pollinates tomorrow.